you. This has become personal for me. I'm pretty excited that I got this many people. It just shows that you guys it didn't run as smooth as I would have liked it. I had, you know, I'm long-winded. I probably blew your guys' phones up. I'm sorry, but not sorry. My phone was blowing up at 11 o'clock last night. And my reason for this is I watch Facebook pretty adamantly because and I watch you guys on the banks. You get a good fish, and you might get 2 or 3 likes, or maybe no likes, or nobody really seemed like they cared about you guys struggling. I started on the bank. We all started on the bank. Boat owner, all of us did. And I thought it would be a great idea to have what we as boat fishermen, kayak fishermen, we share ideas. We rib each other. But we're all friends. Like, we all are cool with each other. You guys just go to the bank, you fish, you go home, you tell your buddies at work, or whatever, and that, we all know that we all have a little bit of ego, and after that 5 minutes of adrenaline, it's kind of gone. But if you can get this group to talk about how you caught the fish, what you did right, what you did wrong, it just fuels the fire to learn more, to get more involved. The cleanup was super important. Conservation, very important. We all see it, kind of take for granted that somebody's going to pick up that cigarette butt or whatever. They don't. And unfortunately, a lot of the trash that's around our waterways is because of us. So that was super important to incorporate that into it. But that should be something that we do every single time. That being said, thank you guys. Applaud yourself. You guys should be friending each other after this. However you talk to each other. Phones, Facebook, social media, whatever. Tell each other how you did, what you caught them on, where you fished at. Fishing at Hoover, literally these fish are everywhere. And this type of, all this information is going to OD and R. That's going to help fuel other fisheries to be on some type of stocking program as well. The goal is to keep that one person from going to the Bay Lakes and coming to our waterways, fish naturally. Because frankly, it's Bay Lakes, it's commercial fishing, it's a lot. If we're not supporting them, all that shit goes away. And we do our part right here, us 50. Tells one person, and you think about how quick that spreads, we can shut that shit down pretty quick. You know what I mean? And let's do that. So that being said, anybody got anything? Suggestions? I know, shut that up. That's good.
Can I say something real quick?
Sure. Listen, if anybody hasn't met, this is my wife Marcy. She's the backbone. She lets me do what I do.
So I see how many people we have here